Here's how to jumpstart a car battery with a Stanley 1800 amp Fatmax jumpstart battery. So before we plug the battery into the jumper cables, we plug the jumper cables onto the car battery. Now you want to hook up the red one first and the black one second. You can plug the black one right onto the battery terminal, or you can plug it onto a ground on the car. It says, the instructions say either way is fine. And then you're going to grab your Fatmax battery and plug it into the jumper cable adapter after that. Now you want to make sure you pull that little rubber cap all the way open. You can plug the jumper cable unit completely into it. You don't want that little rubber cap to be kind of making it half plugged in. I found that to be an issue with it. So as long as you stretch that rubber cap all the way open, then you're good. And that green light on the cable tells you that it's ready to jumpstart. So if you see that green light, that means there's a good connection and it's ready to start your car. So let's see if it starts. And the car is alive once again, so it did the job. Now to disconnect it, first you disconnect the cable from the battery unit. Just kind of pull it, pop it out like that. And then you're going to disconnect the black and then disconnect the red. And then you put it back in this little case and you are done. Probably want to charge it up though after you've started a car with it. And here's a close-up look at that rubber flap. You can see if you don't pull it all the way back, it can kind of get your cable stuck in there halfway and then you don't get a good contact. So make sure you close that up when you're done, and next time you use it, make sure you stretch it all the way out and get a good connection like that. See how it's all the way flush with the battery unit. And there's a link in the description if you want to buy one of these. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. The Stanley Fatmax Jumpstart Battery.